Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Isha Shanbhag, gynecologic oncologist at Aster Hospital, Whitefield. So ovarian cancers are usually diagnosed at a very advanced stage. So most people think that the disease has spread widely inside the abdomen and we don't have much option left. But today it's not true. We have a wide array of options where we can completely cure you of the ovarian cancer. So here the foundation of the treatment is what is called the cytoreductive surgery or the CRS. In simple terms, it basically means we are removing all the disease which is visible to our eye from the abdomen. So the goal is lesser or no visible disease left behind, better is the cure. And the first surgery is the best surgery. So following this, we use a specialized technology called the HIPEC or the hyperthermic intraperitoneal chemotherapy. So this is a heated chemotherapy which is circulated inside the abdomen. This allows for a better drug penetration and targeting the areas which a systemic or the usual chemotherapy has practically reduced reach. So suppose we are not able to do surgery immediately. So we also have another specialized technique called the PIPAC, that is the pressurized intraperitoneal aerosolized chemotherapy. Here, the liquid chemotherapy is converted into a mist and sprayed inside the abdomen using keyhole surgeries. So this is usually used as an adjunct to the systemic or the conventional or the IV chemotherapy. So it has an added advantage of local treatment as well. So this has very few side effects. It can be repeated if required. So with this, we are not left with only one option. We have a wide range of options which can be used in multiple combinations as required for the benefit of patients. So now the main change in the treatment of ovarian cancer is the expertise. It is a wide range of surgeries and the technology which we have. So with this, there is no need to lose hope. Advanced ovarian cancer also can be completely treated, has a better outcome, and we have a very good hope in life. So any further queries regarding any of these surgeries and the techniques, you can please reach out to us at Aster Hospital, Whitefield. Thank you.